Hello. In this video, we are highlighting the ability of our software tool to load OpenFlight models from leading vendors into the Unity game engine. The models in this scene were provided by AEgis Technologies. They have high fidelity and are named to match standard simulation enumeration lists. We are directly loading these models into the engine without requiring conversion to other formats. Once the model is in the game engine, the user has complete freedom to create their scenes, add effects, and script behaviors. If you're interested in using our product, please contact us at sales@SimBlocks.io. Thanks for watching.